if you could build an AI tool to solve a problem, what would it do and why? And if you've already done that, share that as well.
Ooh. Well, that's such a big question. I've built a lot of AI tools to solve different problems. But my dream is, I don't know if I'm totally dating myself with this, but there's a show that I watched growing up called Jimmy Neutron. So like, it's a super tiny guy with huge orange hair, and he had a robot dog named Goddard. And Goddard's job was to just hang out with Jimmy, go on all the adventures, help him adapt to different situations and solve different problems. And this actually reflects a lot of what we see today with AI. People are building AI companions that can help lots of problems. Maybe they can offer care to people, tell them jokes if they're feeling sad, or help them do chores if they don't want to do their chores or need help with their chores. And in my robotics lab, we actually think about doing that. We try and build robots that are specifically meant to help people. But what I think we really need are robots where like anyone can build, and then it's like your personal, just for you. Like maybe it's a dog, maybe it's a cat, maybe it's an imaginary like half tree. I don't know where I'm going with that, but you know, it could be anything you can imagine, and it's yours. In AI, we call that personalization, which is when you have a robot that really understands you and can adapt to your preferences and to your wants and to your needs. But then that second part, being able to solve different problems, that's called generalizability. So you have to make a machine that can learn to take on new tasks and solve them alongside of you. These are two big problems in AI, but I think that as we learn more and more, we're going to get closer to these super personalized, perfect companion, Goddard the robot dog like robots.
I'm actually very excited about that.